and welcome back to the ninth video in my Python tutorial series. And today, in the previous video, we have talked about the while loop, and today we're going to be talking about the second type of loop, which is the for loop. So with that being said, let's get started. So for loops, while the while loop keeps looping the condition only when the condition is true, but the for loop execute a code only a few number of times that you want it to execute. So that's the advantage of the for loop. The for loop execute a block of code only a certain number of times, and the for loop works with the range function. So the range function, just as you give it range like 5, range 0 to 5, as we have the range from 0 to 5, 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. So in the for loop we need the for keyword, a variable name like for I in for x in range 5, for x in range 5. As you can see, syntax error because I'm just showing you this. So the for loop consists of the for keyword, a variable name which might be anything x y z w, anything I, and the in keyword right here to show that the variable name is between the range 0 to 5. So let's implement this and see. Let's create a new file, Control N, and I'm say for x in range 10, and our column print hello. So let's save this and run it and see what we get. As you can see, we are only having hello for the range of 10. We are having 10 hellos right here because it's the range from 0 to 10. That's the for loop. So let's like print. Let's just another one. Print my name is. Print my name is. Then let's have for I in range 5. Then print Mubarak. Let's see, Mubarak 5 times, and let's have print Mubarak 5 times. So let's execute this and see what we get. As you can see, my name is Mubarak 5 times, 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 because our range here is from 0 to 5. So um the that's the implementation of for loop. So also um well, let's have like a simple arithmetic that calculate, just automate the this task. Let me delete this. Let me define a variable num equals to 0 and say for I in range 1. No, let's be 101 our column. Then we'll add num equals to num plus I. Then we're gonna print in print num. If you save this, so here we're gonna be calculating to give to add up all the numbers from 0 to 100. You know, counting from adding all the numbers from 0 to 100 is a big task, but using Python and for loop we can do this easily. So the results should be, let's run it. Let's don't assume 5050. So when the program first starts, the total variable is set to 0. The num variable here is set to 0. Then the for loop then executes num equals to num plus I, which is 100 times the 100 times. By the time the loop has finished all of its 100 iterations, so every integer from 0 to 100 will have been added to num. So at this point, still num printed to the screen even on the slowest computer. This program takes less than a second to complete. So you just have to, when like calculating it, that there were 50 pairs of numbers that added up to 100, like 1 plus 99, 2 plus 98, 3 plus 97, and so on until 49 plus 51. And then this on this keep you have to be just doing all of that. But with this just simple program, we have calculated all the numbers between 1 to 100. So you might be wondering, well, we're having 101 as our range because the last one is not included. So we're having 0 to 100 because the indexing starts from 0. So the range also have a starting point, stopping, and stepping arguments. So let's say that we are having for I in range 3 to 3 to 10. So this is the starting and stopping point. The starting point is 3 and the stopping point is 10. So if I print I and save this and run it, you can see that we're having 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. The last one is not included. So this is the starting and stopping range. So, and we have the range function with 3 arguments. The first 2 arguments will be the start and stop values, and the third will be the step argument. The step argument is about the variable increase after each iteration. So let's have another one here for I in range 0 to 10 and 2, like this. If I print I, so here we have the 0. The first 2 are the starting and stopping point, 0 to 10, and this 2 at the last is the stepping, when it the 2 added is added to each of the range, like 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and that's the last one. Let's save it, run, and see what happens. As you can see, we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this is our last code, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. It add to every range. If we change this to 3, it will add it by 3, and we'll have some minimum amount. So you can 0, 3, 6, 9. So these are the stepping, starting, stopping, and stepping arguments in the range. So that's all I have for you for today. We have talked about the for loop, so you just you've got to just play with them, make some what should I say, make some arrangements, make some compare and contrast. Just play with for loop and see if you can get something out of it. So that's all I have for you for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please hit that subscribe button. My goal is to reach 2,000 subscribers before April. So please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and one more thing, share with friends. So thank you very much for watching. Once again, see you in the next video. Peace.